This is the video guide that will help you to get rid of the new unwanted browser extension called Images Switcher. Images Switcher is an unwanted browser extension that attacks Google Chrome. The developers of this extension indicate that it can help you replace all images in your page in one click. The trouble with this extension is that actually it operates as adware, and if it gets installed, it starts showing the tremendous portion of advertisements that are not related to the sites that you visit. So we recommend you to be very careful not to install this extension. If it was installed without your desire, get rid of it by accessing the menu More Tools, then Extensions. So disable and remove this extension. Finally, we recommend that you carefully research your device with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install the software, and then begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.